Hello folks, it's Chris in Arena Studio with episode 6 of how to build speed in your guitar playing using legato. So if this is what you're looking to do, then this is the video for you. Hey, thanks very much for sticking around. So episode 6 of building speed using legato. If you are familiar with all the other 5 episodes, you should be seeing a massive improvement in the way that your dexterity and coordination is coming together with your legato playing, and the speed is coming. So episode 6, if you remember on the other ones as well, we're all based around the C major 3-note per string pattern starting on the 8th fret. Okay, so you should start to feel this improvement starting to come along in your playing. Like this exercise is again based around the 3-note per string C major scale. This one is a little bit more difficult because it doesn't have a natural direction of flow, if that makes sense. Once you understand the concept of the pattern, you'll probably realize what I mean, because it incorporates this fretting from nowhere first finger. Okay, here we go. Whoops. Great little pattern, run it up and down, ascend and descend. When you get the pattern nailed under those fingers, then just literally throw it onto the practice routine along to the backing track. One more exercise after this, and then I'm going to show you how I perform it at certain speeds, and I will put new versions of the tracks up so that you've got different tempos for you to practice to as well, because I think it starts around about 110, 115, something like that, and we take it up to 145, 150, 160 beats per minute. So it's a real intense workout, but really if you want to get great on your guitar, you've got to put maybe 30 to 40 minutes a day on certain techniques till you get those techniques mastered, or a relative degree of skill done, really. So that's as simple as that. Please give my channel a like and a subscribe. I'm going to try and get back onto everything and giving you as much content as possible. You can follow me on Facebook, where I actually put different content on the Arena Studio page on Facebook as well, so it'd be nice to see some of you over there as well. And the same thing applies to the Facebookers. There's different stuff on YouTube than on Facebook. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm getting on my own nerves now, so I'm going to disappear, have a drink, and get back onto mixing the stuff that I've been working on this week, which is going on the Facebook page very, very soon. Okay, so again, just work nice and steady, build your speed up gradually till you can get confident, and you'll find that this exercise is a real fretting from nowhere improver on that first finger, which is something that is neglected on most legato patterns. So stick with it, give it a go, and I'll see you for the final episode next week. And take it easy, keep on rocking in the free world, and stay safe and well.